Are you a mosquito? Are you a mosquito? Are you a mosquito? I'm gonna get you.
Got the Nepali beer. Who knew? They had Nepali wine. I never heard of Nepali wine before. We are crazy sweaty and burning up. Not because this building that we're in to eat dinner doesn't have air conditioning. We just got done with an amazing one-horn rhino safari.
It was a safari for all the animals.
We were going after the one-horn rhino. And tonight we'll be eating traditional Nepali dinners. So we've got some mixed pickle. Let's just test it and see how spicy this is. Carrot on there just to see if that's good. It's definitely spicier than the pickles that I had the other day.
There's something else bit me. Quit biting me, you bugs.
Forgive me, I have no idea what these potato chip breads are,
Yeah,
but
we
they
can't
are,
remember, but they're so tasty.
they are so tasty. And I'm probably not even supposed to put pickles and, oh, it's got onion too. I don't know what that is.
Radish?
I'm not sure what this is.
Radish.
Yeah, you're right, it's radish. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Tastes good. I'm sure all the Nepali people will be laughing at us because we're doing it wrong.
Hey, they were laughing at us. Cheers.
On the safari.
Almost multiple times.
Nice meeting you today.
Nice to see a whole big group of family out having an adventure outside.
Their festival.
Hey, I wonder how their family dynamics are.
Much better than Americans.
If they have drama, if they have
I'm sure every family
dysfunction.
has drama and dysfunction.
Better than Americans are.
Yeah, I think that's the case. I think Americans don't value family the same as they do different cultures around the world.
It's not that Americans don't value, it's that Americans get lost and caught up in this American dream, are working too much. I think it's more of a prioritization. I think there are a lot of families that spend a lot of time together in America. It's different here.
Uh-oh, we got some rice coming in, some of the bread that turns into a bag.
Chapati,
Oh, thank you so much.
vegetable spinach, one non-vegetable item, chicken curry,
And then the name of the breads?
papadum,
Papadum?
papadum, and chapati in Hindi and English
Roti.
Nepali roti.
I like this one really good. And then we've got some soup. That's a lentil soup.
It's called dal.
Gotta try the spinach because I
the
love spinach. So that's like a fried spinach.
Oh, it's just sauteed.
Nepalese people, put the lentils in a rice and mix it.
Oh, so put some rice in there.
Yeah, I did that at,
In Delhi.
oh yeah. Oh, I do like the rice in it. Very
Before
good.
I put the vinegar pickles, it was very mild. But when you put that in there, then it pops it up another level.
That the Nepalese people, like in village area,
Uh-huh.
they doesn't use like a spoon.
They don't use a spoon.
By hand.
Wow.
Oh, by hand. Yeah.
Some
That's messy.
Yeah, some Nepal.
I really like eating it with this papadum. Well, I try to say it the right way, and I'm sorry, I'm an American. I do like the dal.
Dal. Like a dal.
That's what I said.
It's a dal, because I'm a redneck.
Don't listen to her. Just because I'm from the South, I have a little bit of twang. This is vegetable curry. Oh, wow. I like the depth of different seasonings that they put into. Vegetables always different, because whatever you get, right?
So fresh tasting.
Oh, yeah.
No, even this.
No, all of it is. Every time we go out of the country, try any of the breads, come back to America, and you're just like, bread sucks.
Not all of it does, but it's much harder to find, and it's much more expensive.
We got some chicken.
Sure.
Yardbird for you. Here.
Oh man, I just didn't think there were any mosquitoes. I haven't seen any mosquitoes. Been hanging out under the table, that's why. Are you a mosquito? Are you a mosquito? Are you a mosquito? I'm gonna get you. They're getting me in weird places. I've got bites. I've got a bite right here, and I've got two right here, and then I just got one right here, and I may have one right here on my ankle. It's like they're in stealth mode or something. I am on the lookout. You know how I am.
Yep.
I am on the lookout for them, and I do not see them.
I have really been digging all the vegetables.
Battery low, powerino.
Bye-bye, GoPro.
Did you notice that just driving down the street, you could smell all the different...
Everybody that was cooking dinner in their houses, you could smell all the different flavors going down the road. Most of the houses are open air. This curry is so much different than like you get in the restaurants in America. I wish I could describe it better. I really can't.
It's depth, freshness.
Yeah, I think it's because they use real seasonings and we probably don't get real seasoning. Anyway, you get a chance to come to Nepal, come out to Chitwan. do a rhino adventure and eat some Nepali food. Good night, guys.